No need for a pricey bathroom remodel. Clean Cut products work on your existing tub and can be fully installed within just 2 to 4 hours. How great is that? Our patented process includes clean cutting a portion of your tub, prepping the area, and finally, product installation. But which of the Clean Cut products will you choose? The Step converts your existing bath into a step-in shower. It's ideal for those interested in an easier showering experience. The Ultra Low is almost exactly the same, except it's designed to fit high-profile tubs. The door is very unique. In addition to an easy step-in, it features a watertight door that allows you to take a full bath. Last but not least is the Convertible. This groundbreaking product allows you to effortlessly switch from step-in tub shower to traditional tub. The removable unit is watertight and locks on or off in moments. If you have questions or would like products installed, click or call. Thanks for watching.